Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync coins in Trezor Suite. In Trezor Suite, syncing coins means making sure your wallet shows the latest balances and transaction from the blockchain every time you send or receive crypto. Trezor Suite needs to update your account to reflect those changes, and syncing is automatic in most cases, but sometimes you may need to refresh or re-synchronize to see updates balances ensures your wallet is accurate and ready for transaction. So first, open to your Trezor Suite and open with the Face ID or your Touch ID as well and connect the Trezor device here. And after you connect that, you can go to your Asset in the bottom and over here tap on the plus icon in the top right. Over here you can select a coin to sync. As I'm selecting the BTC, you can select any coin over here as well by simply tapping on one of the coin, and you need to scan a public key XPub, or you can simply enter the public key XPub manually here. And that is it. After scanning, your coin will be synced into this Trezor Suite. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you.